Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to update SQL Server Management Studio 21 on this Windows machine. So if I open this place, SSMS, this already in my system, let's open SQL Server Management Studio 21. So the next is let's quickly connect with the SSMS. Now here you can see this is connected. There you can get the bell icon and one notification. That notification that's come there, SQL Server Management Studio 21 update. This is the latest version. June 2025 is now available. So by clicking this, you can go for update, or if you go in the Google search box, right there SSMS, then go on this Microsoft.com site. So if I scroll down, here you can get this download SSMS. So by using this, you can also here get the latest version of this SSMS. So let's go back and now using this option. So clicking into this, after waiting a few or second times, here you can get this Visual Studio installer. This come from Microsoft. Let's click on yes button, and this here, this is now SQL Server Management Studio 21. Starting download and install. So for this one, internet must be connected there. So here you can see this is the update is now 341 MB, and this is the current speed. So this is now currently downloading as well as installing. Getting this message done installing, the installation has completed successfully, and here all installation are up to date. So let's click on this OK, and this here done. So checking all installation are up to date. So from there you can open this SSMS. Let's click on this launch SQL Server Management Studio. And now here let's quickly connect with this. Thereafter here the latest version of this SSMS that's installed there. So here you can see there is no any notification after reopening of this SSMS. So this is the most simplest way we can update SQL Server Management Studio 21. So I hope guys this video is so helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.